How does one make frozen vegetal? Ah! 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 So the first thing you need to without it. So the instructions say pour it into a pot, I mean a saucepan on the stove with a 1/4 cup of water. Therefore, I'm gonna need this, and I'm gonna need close enough. So there we have it, 1 bag and some water. That's about it. So I'll just go ahead and get this started. Take fine. Maybe my teeth aren't as sharp as they used to be. Pretty sure we've made something like this before, haven't we? You should already know how to make these. But in case you don't, once you put them together like this, you boil it for 3 minutes and then you simmer it for about 3-ish minutes. Your most important instruction is add water as needed. So if you get thirsty for some reason, don't forget to drink water. Or else. Want to see a magic trick? These are already garlic flavored, but watch me add more garlic because I can. And because I have this giant jar of minced garlic. Boom. Magic. Where'd the top go? And that's it. We now have vegetal. Wow. It looks almost just how you'd expect a bag of frozen vegetables to look. What are you complaining about? They cost like $1.